Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and link your Instagram to your TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first access a particular TikTok app on your mobile phone. You can find this kind of interface, right? So afterwards, if you want to connect your TikTok account with your Instagram account, what you gotta do, simply can tap on this profile icon given in the below right corner of the section, and you can see this option called tap on this edit profile. And here in the section you can find this social option including Instagram and YouTube. You can tap on this add Instagram, and now it will access your Instagram for you. You're going to go ahead log in with by entering your information, tap on login, and then you will have to confirm it. Afterwards you simply will be able to link your Instagram with your TikTok just like that, and the icon will be shown below your TikTok. So whenever if somebody wants to get access to your Instagram account, they can simply find it just right over here. They will find that Instagram icon, they can tap on it, and it will simply access your particular Instagram account. That is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.